woods belong. Huzzah! Thank you! Let us be off. The journey may not be smooth, but journeys seldom are. Oh, wait, what? You have arrived. Saplings you may alight. Let's get down. Ow! At long last I am back where I belong. Thank you. To save our woods, how heroic. Darkness threatens to envelop our world. You have been chosen by the light to ensure balance is not upset. Take this with you. Use it to find your way when darkness blocks your path. Obtain the Fang of Wind. Okay. Hein's atrocities wrought havoc within my roots and trunk. I fear I must refuse visitors to these woods for at least a millennium while I heal. Warriors, you have my thanks. Now go and dispel the darkness of the world. You are our last hope.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row with the British grenadiers.